Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the TrustIsYou.com and a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains. The reason I do these videos because so many people have never heard of the Spendthrift Trust. Most 97% of the trusts sold in the United States are what is called a family trust. The only thing they do is avoid going through probate, and then they go dissolve and split up all the money. This trust is not your mom and dad's trust. This trust comes from England way back when King Henry VIII was the king. It's contract law. It came over to the United States while we were still a colony. It's in the IRS Tax Code. It's legal. It's patented. It's been in front of the U.S. Supreme Court twice, and I can't tell you how much more legal this is. If you want to find out more and want to read a book, I highly recommend you read Scott and Asher on Trusts. That's plural trusts, 5th edition. It'll talk about the Spendthrift Trust, but with this trust, it's a legal, patented, and IRS tax code 643B, like Bravo. I'm not making fun of accountants. I would never be an accountant. I'm dyslexic. But most accountants only work in the 300 and 400 level and have never heard of this in school or in their continuing education. With the Spendthrift Trust, it's going to save you money in 3 very important ways. Number 1, federal taxes. Who doesn't want to save federal taxes? Number 2, keep your information 100% private. All of you who are in an LLC, an S Corp, or C Corp, that state or statutory law, state law, and your information is not private. And number 3, it's going to keep you from paying any judgments if you get sued. I can't stop you from being sued, but you won't pay those judgments because the old adage from Nelson Rockefeller, own nothing, control everything. You are going to have nothing, and that lawsuit will go away. Now, I do split this trust into 2. There's the business trust for 1099 income earners. I don't care if you are affiliate marketer, if you're a real estate agent, if you're a salesperson, if you are running a brick and mortar store and being paid 1099 income. With the Business Spendthrift Trust, you will save at least 70% on your federal taxes every single year. This trust is irrevocable, so it goes from generation to generation. I have clients saving up to over 90% in their taxes, but I can't say that legally, so that's why I say at least 70% in your federal taxes. Again, if you might have a W-2 job and you might be doing a side hustle in evenings. Just to give you an idea, I suggest if you're making at least $70,000 in your side hustle or your affiliate marketing company or anything else, you need to start looking at the trust, because so you have this information up front. One trust, either the business trust or the beneficial trust, is $20,500. If you want both trusts, business and beneficial trust, it would be $37,000 together now, 6 months later, 2 years later, your choice. Of over my 100 clients, most people only have one or the other. I do have both. Now on to the beneficial trust. This is for investors. You might be a passive investor, a real estate investor, a crypto investor, crypto miner, stock market investor, options trading, day trading, forex trading, futures trading, or have royalties. With the beneficial Spendthrift Trust, you're going to save the following taxes year after year after year after year. Short-term capital gains, 23.8%, and long-term capital gains, either 15% or 20%. There's a reason I'm working with business brokers, because when you sell a business, it doesn't matter if you have loans, liens, or you have a depreciation. Whatever the sale price is, 15 or 20% is going to go to the federal government without the trust. Interest income. If you're a passive investor, a forex investor who gets taxed both interest income and capital gains, doing the BRRRR strategy, or I have notes. Dividend income. If you're doing stock market investing, options trading, day trading, or futures trading, you're going to save that. Rental income, short-term rental or long-term rental. You're going to save those taxes too. I know you can take depreciation in your LLC. You can take depreciation in the trust too. But remember, this trust is going to save you from paying any judgments if you get sued. So if you've got renters and they have dogs or they do something, they're not coming after your renters, they're coming after you. and royalties. I don't care if you're an actor, actress, author, songwriter, playwright, or in the NFT world, NFT crypto, NFT real estate, or NFT artwork. If you want to find out more, I have free training at my website, a 18-minute free training to find out more about the trust. The website is thetrustisyou.com. My name is Sally Gimmon, and I want to say thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day.